welcome back to my channel Chandrani Das Art, and I am Chandrani. As you know, I am a digital illustration artist, children book illustration artist, and I do vector graphics too. In this channel we learn about all kind of arts that I know. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe my channel, and I will tell at the end of the video. Okay, so let's start the video. As you can see, here I am selecting the trunk of the old wise tree by lasso tool. As I have mentioned this on my previous videos too, that whenever it's time to select something, I always prefer lasso tool. First of all, we are gonna learn about the part of the trees. If you ask me, I will divide it in two parts, like the head and the body. I'm in the trunk part. If you are okay with brush tool, you can apply the brush tool directly. So now I am adding the foreground color. The shortcut is Alt backspace. Now as we have decided to add some shades, so you can see I am adding shades gradually. Here I am taking soft brush tool and shading the sides of the trunk with a darker color, and also gradually shading according to the lines of my sketch to form the exact shape that I am looking for. Alright, now I am adding lighter color to highlight the rounded parts of the trunk. Here we have to make it a little, this much little detailings, okay, because it's tree and it has leaves. So if we draw it as in a flat way or just color it randomly, it will not look good. Okay, so just simple color and shadings will be fine for this tree. It's already has started to look like a fantasy kind of tree, an old one. So it's time to color the head part now. As it's a fantasy tree, so I am adding blue as the base color to give it a dreamy and magical look. So I am mixing the color with blue, purple, some magenta, and some light blue, this kind of. Now for the leaves, I'm just stroking randomly to just give it a form of a leaf, but not in details, but just roughly. Now I am adding some details around the tree. So you can see here I have added rocks, some fantasy flowers, some water. So these are all the materials that I want to add it on the tree, around the tree, so that it will give a nice magical look. You can find this kind of tree on a game. You can say it's as a game illustration too. So here I am adding this. I'm literally enjoying while doing this. All for today. I hope you guys enjoy and have learned something from this video. If you do so, please do subscribe my channel if you are new and want to learn something, and please share this video as much as you can with those friends who also want to learn art. And also, if you like this video, please hit the like button. I will see you on my next video. Till then, bye.